Welcome to Ugandan Kitchen in yet another video. In today's recipe, we are going to be preparing choroko. We are going to be preparing mung beans stew. These have very many names. They are called choroko, mung beans, green gram, and dengu in Swahili. So whichever you choose to call these beans is just fine. We are going to start by sorting them, removing stones and any dirt that is in there. These are legumes, just like peas, beans, lentils, so they are full of plant protein and many more other nutrients. So meanwhile, make sure that you are already boiling water aside that we are going to use to cook these beans. I will be sharing with you a hack that I normally use to kind of cook faster my beans without having to soak them overnight. So if you happen to, wake up in the morning and you want to prepare beans but you did not soak them at night, yes, I'll be sharing with you this hack that you can use, and then within less than an hour, you will be having your beans, your peas ready. So now add the beans in the boiling water. Once you feel the water is a lot, you can reduce just a little bit and you will add a little more if there is need as you cook the beans. So you're going to cook the beans for at least 20 minutes. So cover and cook for 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, here we add baking soda. So our hack is using baking soda. That is how it looks like until the beans are ready. At this rate, make sure that you have already chopped up your vegetables that you're going to use. You prepare your spices, your herbs that you're going to use in making this stew. I will be blending the tomatoes and garlic. You can as well decide to use tomato paste, tomato sauce. So whichever you choose to use is just fine. So I start by heating up a pan, then adding a little bit of oil. I left all the measurements and units up there in the upright corner. Then you add your onions and then cook those for 2 to 3 minutes. Then we are going to add blended tomatoes. I decided to blend the tomatoes because I did not want the tomato skin to show in the stew. I did not want to taste that or to see that in this stew. You can as well decide to use tomato paste, tomato sauce, so whichever you decide to use. Or you can as well first boil the tomatoes and then remove the skin, then you can use them nicely. I then added the spices, paprika, turmeric, salt, black pepper, and garam masala. We are going to cook until the tomatoes dry up. Like you can see there, at this rate, they are ready. They are all soft and they have all dried up. Then we add the carrots before we add in the bell peppers. We are going to also cook the carrot for 2 to 3 minutes. Then we are going to be adding in the rest of the ingredients. Kindly help me subscribe, like the video, and leave a comment below. You can also use the bean soup if there is need. We use a little bit of water or any soup once there is need to avoid our ingredients from getting burnt. Then after cooking for 2 to 3 minutes, we add in choroko. They are nicely cooked, like you can see, they are soft, they are thick. So here we add them, and then we are going to add in the rest of the vegetables. Those are the bell peppers that we decided to use in this recipe. I use the yellow and red bell pepper, but you can as well add in the green bell pepper. You can add a little bit of French beans. So there are many other vegetables that you can use at this rate. Taste for salt and spices, and then cover and cook for 5 to 10 minutes until our stew is thick and ready. Meanwhile, help me subscribe to Ugandan Kitchen, help me grow. That is my channel. It is free of charge. Once you click there, it implies you have subscribed. Then go ahead and click again and then turn on your notifications. You'll be notified whenever I post a new video. Help me like my videos, leave a comment below, share to your family and friends, and let me know what you think about my recipes in the comment section. Help me grow by subscribing, like, and share. Thanks. So once our stew is ready, we add in our heavy cream. If you want this stew to be vegan and dairy free, then you can just add in a little bit of coconut cream, or you can skip this step. Like I told you, you do not have to, do it like the same way I have done it. You can change a few things here and there just to suit your taste and preference. But if you would love to go it the whole way like I have done, then yeah, you can add a little bit of heavy cream because it adds an extra taste and flavor to this stew. It makes it creamy and also thick. Then here we add our coriander, oatmeal, whichever you call it. If you have a little bit of spring onions, you add them and then you cook for just 2 minutes and then you are done. Your stew is ready to be served with any meal of your choice. It can be rice, it can be chapatis, it can be steamed matoke. So here I garnished with a little bit of heavy cream and then spring onions and coriander, and there you go, and you have your creamy mung beans choroko, nicely served with any food of your choice. Thanks for watching. Until next time, please do not forget to subscribe, like and share. Kindly check out my other recipes. I have plenty of videos that you can enjoy, that you would love, from vegan recipes to gluten-free snacks and very many more other recipes. Do not forget to follow me on my other social media platforms, on Snapchat, on TikTok, on Instagram. I'm there as Ugandan Kitchen. Let me know what you think about my recipes in the comment section. Until next time, please do not forget to share, like, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.